Hi guys, we're back on the kitchen extension. Thought I'd do a talk over on this video, see how it goes. If you're watching this video and you haven't seen the rest, if you'd like to go back and have a look at rest and catch up that way, I'll put a link at the end of the video of when we first started it. So I'm just showing you the first job that we're going to start. We're going to take the door and the window out and we're going to put them in the front of the extension. We put some hardcore down on the floor, 300mm, ready for concrete in, and that's where they're going in here. And this I'm showing you now is where I messed up. And I've done the block work first instead of setting the first layer of bricks out. And that's what happens. So yeah, I'll have to put a piece of wood in there, stud it out. So we're just taking the door and the window out, and this window is really an old window and the beads on the outside of it. And the thing is, I didn't really want to take the glass out of the window, just in case it leaked, so we'll put the window back in. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it all out in one, and if you can see we've put some brackets on the right, and the bracket that I'm screwing on now, and we're just bracketing it in. Then we just opened the window up and drilled down through the sill that way. So the rain stopped, so we've come outside to do some brickwork. So the gable's now done and we're on the front doing the soldier course. Don't know why I didn't record anymore this gable end, but there you go. Oh yeah, and I missed the weep also, I'm just bobbing it in now. So I haven't marked these bricks up, I'm just taking measurements and making sure that I'm going to fit the last one in hole at the end. So that's that, we're back inside now. We've got a layer of visqueen down, some kingspan on top of the hardcore we put down and whacked, and then we're going to put another layer of visqueen on top of that, on top of the kingspan, and then 100mm of concrete. Well, I think it's a bit more, 110, 120, but 100 minimum. So here we're just tamping it down with a bit of wood. And I've got the laser set up. So the top of the laser shining on the top of the wood is the level. So that's what we're doing. We don't need to be too great with this because we're going to tile this floor eventually. So yeah. And that's it for this episode. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. And don't forget, if you liked it, give us a like and subscribe if you already haven't.